What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. I've got here the Honor Watch 6, the latest smartwatch by Honor, and in this video today I am going to show you an unboxing and review of this watch. So if you know people or if you're wanting to purchase one, make sure you check this video out before you purchase. Just before I get started, make sure you follow me on one of the social medias above, as I always put up sneak peeks on what to expect on Allsortzz. And as always, make sure you subscribe and also hit the bell notification so when we load any video you'll actually be notified. And if you want to see any other videos with this Honor Watch 6, let me know in the comment section below. So in this video today we'll take a look at the box, then we'll take a look at what we get inside of the box, then we'll take a look at the design of the smartwatch, then we'll take a look at some of the specifications and features, and then we'll take a look at the operating system and connect it to my phone to see what this Honor Watch 6 is like. So let's get started. Here is the Honor Watch 6. It has a 1.46 inch hybrid LTPS AMOLED display with a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits. It has a massive battery for a smartwatch, which is 980 mAh, which gives you up to 35 days in endurance mode, around 17 days in typical use mode. Dual band GPS with independent positioning. It's 580M plus IP69 water resistant rating. It weighs approximately 41 grams. This is the shadow black version. The thickness is 10.8 millimeters. It has 120 plus sports mode as well. You can add them in here as well, and you can also add loads more other watch faces and sport modes. It has connectivity Bluetooth 5.4. It runs on Android and iOS support as well, and it has 4 gigs of onboard storage. Lastly, you can also add your wireless earphones to this smartwatch. Here it is, the Honor Watch 6. I tell you what, I like the circular design. It's really nice. Look at that. The bezel does not rotate, so that's one bad thing about it. So you have got a rotatable crown, but does it rotate when you actually use it? So is this the power button? Let's push it in, see if it does anything. Or is it the crown that's the power button? You can tell I've not used the Honor Watch in a long time. So we've got something here. We didn't get no vibrate or nothing. It just came up as Magic OS. No idea which button was that, the crown or the button at the bottom here. So you've got 2 button placements. You can use the crown or the button placement right here. So let's set it up. Magic OS. Push in the side button. English, yes. UK. Honor Magic, Honor ID. Does the crown work? Yes. So we'll scroll all the way to the bottom. Show you better. Press agree there. Please install the Honor Health app on your phone, and you can just scan the QR code and set it up from there. Can you set it up without that? No, you can't. So it's reset or about. So let's download the app. Now that we have registered, let's add a device. Press add device. Honor Watch 6-3FB. Let's press that. Pairing. Hopefully we should see something on the smartwatch. And we get a vibrate. iPhone 18. I'm sure I've got iPhone 17. 18 not even out yet. Pairing requests. Receive notifications. Yes, connected. So it says pairing. Welcome to. Try now. There we go. So it's just downloading the latest software. While that's downloading, let's just check out some of the things you can do on the app. So you got the Honor Watch there. You can change the display by putting display them from the Honor market, or you can put your own on as well. Going into exercise and health, just put your own details in from there. You can put your own details in from my reports, all data, my profile. So yeah, on the device itself, there's just the watch face market. That's all you can do, unless once it's updated, then it might be different. So let's just check it out once it's updated. Finally, I've got it set up. It took an hour to download the software, and I still didn't think it finished. So anyways, the watch is now on, and here is what it looks like. Look how nice the display is. So swiping it down, let's check out some of the features on here. Swiping it down, you've got settings, that's silent and unlock, torch, do not disturb, bedside mode. The crown does work as well, so you got 3 pages of shortcuts when you swipe down. Swiping it to the right will bring up your app shortcuts as well, and it goes back. Swipe right and left does the same thing. Swiping it up brings up your notifications once it's connected to your phone, and if you hold it in, you get a vibrate, and you can actually change the watch faces. So how many watch faces you got? You can add your own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's got 9 already preloaded on here. Let's just actually change one of the watch faces to show you what it's like. Really nice. Look at that. Look at the display. Not a bad smartwatch, to be honest. So let's see what we got. So pushing in the crown will bring up your menu. Pushing in the bottom button will bring up your volume. Well, if you press next, okay, or next, touch and hold to edit the workout list. So this button right here is your sport button, and you can actually choose courses, indoor run, outdoor run, and a lot of other sport modes. You can add more as well. So you can choose extreme, water, winter, fun, dance, indoor, outdoor. You can add quite a lot of sport modes in there. So let's push up the, pushing the crown button brings up the menu. If you hold the crown button in, and that's actually the switch on and off. So if you want to switch it on and off, then you can actually do it from there. So push that back out. So let's check out what we have in the menu. So first of all is workout, which we've already checked out. Workout records. Swipe back, it does work. Workout status, threshold tests. That's a new one. That heart rate and pace. We'll check that out later. Fitness age. So there's no record. You've got to add it onto your app, and you can actually do it from there. Activity records, phone, music, body energy. The system shows you body energy levels in real time through 24/7 monitoring of your daily activities. So you've got to have this on for a while to actually show you your body energy. Health scan. All this is about health, which is good. That's what you want in a smartwatch. You want your full health apps to give you all the health what kind of health it is, whether it be your heart rate, your ECG and stuff like that. So we'll check them out. I'll make another video and show you what the health apps are like. Voice notes, heart rate, sleep, SpO2, stress, breathing exercises. You got your weather card as well, so you can actually it has got NFC, so you can switch your put your cards on there. Alarm, calendar, stopwatch, timer, compass, air pressure, remote sensor, torch, find device. You can actually go list, or you can actually choose this one. Double tap it. It doesn't do anything. Double tap that one. It doesn't do anything. Usually when you double tap it, it will actually change the menu interface, but as there's only 2, so you can actually add earphones to this as well, which is a good feature to have. Watch face, you can change your watch faces, always on display. Home style settings, which is your list view. You got your favorites, display and brightness. Brightness will do all the way to the top, which is number 5. auto brightness, basic mode, sleep, screen on for 5 minutes, raise to wake and tap to wake, that's this display, sounds, haptics, good feature 12 and a couple of haptics there, notifications, do not disturb, battery. Now as I showed you earlier, this has a massive battery which lasts you up to 35 days or something like that, but yeah, if you want me to check that out and use this, then let me know in the comments and I'll do a battery test on it. So you can actually have it in power saving mode, or you can have it in power, like there's a few, it just depends on how you actually use it. If you've got always on display on, it might, obviously it will lower your battery. You can actually put a pin in it, workout settings, always on, auto detect, heart rate, bro, down button, you can change that to whatever you like out of all these. You got your gesture settings, so incoming calls, alarms, you can use your gesture system, which we need to update already because it's downloaded, which took an hour, and your about, which gives you Honor Watch 6, which is the latest watch, smartwatch by Honor. That is about it from the features of the watch, people, but overall I'm kind of impressed with this build quality of this watch. So yeah, overall it's not a bad smartwatch. What do you think? Let me know in the comment sections below. If you want to see any other videos, do let me know in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again for another video.